Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to set up Deepseek R1 and get started using it. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official Deepseek website right here at deepseek.com if you have not already, and this is where we want to get started with creating our account. So to be able to be using Deepseek R1, we're going to need an account. So if you do not already have one, you can click the start now button right here, and if it where you can get started with the registering process. And if you already have an account, you can also click start now and log in, and now we can get started. So we are going to go ahead and be greeted by this chat page right here where we can get started. So guys, now we have two options. First, we can use the Deepseek R1 option right here. As you can see, use Deepseek R1 to solve reasoning problems. You can enable this and now get started using Deepseek. Normally, ask it any questions you have and it's going to use the R1 method right here. But if you want to run it locally on your computer, what you can do is use the Olema program. So right here at olema.com, you can get started with downloading Olema. As you can see, it's going to be available for macOS, Linux, and Windows. And after downloading, as you can see, you can get started using Deepseek R1. It's going to enable you to interpret Deepseek R1 into your Olema program, so you can go ahead and download it and run it on your PC locally using your account you have created. And this is how you can get started using Deepseek R1. So you can choose whichever option you prefer to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.